आरसी एजुकेशन में आपका स्वागत है। आज हम जेएससीबी क्लास 10th का जो 2026 का पेपर आया है इंग्लिश का, उसका सॉल्यूशन करेंगे और देखते हैं कि आपके कितने मार्क्स आए हैं। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। मैं सीधा क्वेश्चन आंसर्स दूंगी क्योंकि ये जो एक्सट्रैक्ट है वो पढ़ने में जाऊंगी तो फिर ज़्यादा देर हो जाएगी, ठीक है? तो मैं सीधा क्वेश्चन उसके बाद आंसर दूंगी। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, व्हाई डिड काच गो आउट? तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन का आंसर होगा काच वेंट आउट टू गैदर फायरवुड। सेकेंड, व्हाट डिड देवयानी फियर अबाउट काच? सेकेंड का आंसर है देवयानी फियर दैट काच वाज लॉस्ट और डेड। थर्ड, which city did Holy Manil live in? So Holy Manils live in New York City. Fourth का question, why could they not meet each other? They could not meet each other because Blandford's army group moved overseas for military duty. Fifth question, what type of garbage do we find in lakes? Fifth question का आंसर है we find many types of garbages such as diapers, worn out sleepers and other waste in lakes. Sixth, how is water very important? Sixth answer, water is very important because it is the basis of life, supports ecosystem and essential for all living beings. Seventh, what type of clothes must not be worn when lighting crackers? Long, loose clothes or nylon clothes must not be worn when lighting crackers. It is safe if a child eats the powder of the crackers, and why? So answer is no, it is not safe because the powder in crackers is poisonous. Ninth question, what is Shubhangi's worry about the vulture? Shubhangi is worried about that she has not seen any vulture flying in the sky for many months. 10th, how can you say that the vulture population is on the verge of extinction? Because nearly 97% of the vulture population has been lost, mainly due to the harmful medicines diclofenac. Okay? अब हम 11th क्वेश्चंस तो नहीं करेंगे, 11th का शॉर्ट नोट है, हम सीधा अब जाएंगे ट्रू एंड फॉल्स पे। ओके, 12th, प्रेम चोपड़ा डज नॉट हार्म पीपल, सो आंसर विल बी फॉल्स। आई एम बिट कंफ्यूज अबाउट दिस कि ट्रू होगा या फॉल्स, ये इसमें मुझे कंफ्यूजन है। अगर आपको राइट आंसर पता हो तो आप कमेंट कर दीजिएगा। 13, Miss Suvillian sacrificed her eyesight for her student Helen. Answer is false. 14. The seminar Bring Out Your Best was organized to advise the students and their parents. Answer is true. The problem Bharat faces in that he remembers whatever he reads. False. 16. ओके, ये स्टैंजा के आधार पर हमें क्वेश्चन का आंसर देना है। 16, वेयर विल द सॉन्ग कैरी द चाइल्ड्स हार्ट? द सॉन्ग विल कैरी द चाइल्ड्स हार्ट टू द वर्ज ऑफ द अननोन। 17, हाउ विल द सॉन्ग अकम्पनी द चाइल्ड इन लोनलीनेस? 17 का आंसर होगा इन द लोनलीनेस द सॉन्ग विल सिट बिसाइड एंड द चाइल्ड एंड विस्पर इन द ईयर। 18, हाउ विल द सॉन्ग प्रोटेक्ट द चाइल्ड व्हेन इन द क्राउड? In the crowd, the song will feign the child about with aloofness and protect him or her. Okay. 19. Read the paragraph and answer the question. 19th. Who is the elder one between the two brothers? So, Pathik is the elder one. 20. What new mischief did Pathik plan with his friends? Pathik planned to roll the heavy log away with the help of his friends. 21. How did Makhan became an obstacle? So 21 का आंसर होगा the Makhan sat on the log and refused to get up, so he became an obstacle. 22. Where did the heavy log lie? The heavy log lay on the bank of the river. 23. Find out the similar sentence from this para. I will beat you. I will beat you का होगा if you don't I'll trash you. Okay. अब है read the data and answer the question. हमें डाटा दिया गया है, उसके आधार पर हमें क्वेश्चन का आंसर देना है. 24. What is this data? Okay, so this is a permanent account number, means कि पान कार्ड डाटा है. 25. Which department is the data concerned with? It is concerned with the income tax department. 26. Whose son is the owner of this card? The owner is the son of Vasudev Bhai Dave. 28. Who will you inform to if you found this card? Answer is you should inform the Commissioner of Income Tax, Aikar Bhavan, Ashram Road, Navankapura, Ahmedabad. Okay. 29. Why does Mr. Limbachia praise Abhishek? So the answer is Mr. Limbachia praised Abhishek because the idea suggested by Abhishek is brilliant and can solve the problem. 30. Why does Abhishek hesitate about his idea? 30. Abhishek hesitates because he is afraid that people will call him crazy and laugh at him. 31. How can one make some new innovations? One can make new innovations by bringing ideas out and trying them practically. 32. How is the government helpful to innovators? The government help innovators by registering their ideas, supporting their project, and giving prizes. Match the language functions with proper sentence. Okay, so here we are. 31. I was late because I could not get up early in the morning. Answer will be C, given reason. Okay. Whoever is giving reason that I was late because I could not get up early in morning. 34. How did you climb up that high? Answer will be D, asking for information, or I think D, asking for information, or maybe B, describing manner. 35. Topped yet again. Congratulations. 35 का आंसर होगा A, expressing niceness. Choose and write the appropriate response to complete the conversation. 36. Sakshi. How to make Nimbu Sharbat. Janvi. Blank, describing process. Okay, so answer will be C. Take water, add sugar, stir well, add lemon. Answer will be C. 37. Nilam. Do you know the Nilam, do you know the speciality of Karamshad? Dharti. Blank, describing place. B. It's the village where Sardar Patel was born. Okay. Shreya. How can one get a prize in election competition? Spandan. Describing condition. Answer will be A. Complete the sentence and choose the correct option, focusing the function given in the brackets. 39. Blank will come for you, your help, showing alternativeness. So answer will be C. Either Mehul or Mayur will come for your help. Answer will be C. 40. The small arrow blank specifying location. Answer is B. On the top of the pole in astonishing. The small arrow on the top of the pole is astonishing. 41. Abhay danced most gracefully. Blank, showing result. Answer will be D. Therefore, he was given the first prize. Abhay danced most gracefully. Therefore, he was given the first prize. Complete the paragraph. Fill in the blanks with the appropriate words from the brackets. 42. The real spare of work is that even in the most awkward times, you can adhere to the task assigned to you. Okay. Adhere will be last, assigned will be second, and spare will be first. Find and write the word having the nearest meaning. Erect. The answer will be straight. Resist. Answer will be stop. Hind. and answer will be backside. Okay. Now we'll head to 45. Section D. Oh, we going section D. Completed section C. Now we'll go at section ओके हमने अभी सेक्शन सी कंप्लीट कर दिया है. अब हम डी पर जाएंगे. रीड द डायलॉग एंड कंप्लीट द इनडायरेक्ट नरेशन गिवन बिलो चूजिंग द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. Warrior, now I am ready to die. Split my hair in two. Youth, you are a murderer, but I have learned much from you in these last few years. How can I kill my teacher? Okay, so the warrior told that he was ready to die. Then that day. So the warrior told that he was ready to die that day and requested to split his head in two. The youth told that he had a murder. Youth told that he had murdered, but he had learned from him in those last few years. He further asked how he could kill his teacher. First will be that day, second will be had, third will be he, and last will be asked. Okay. Join the sentence using the appropriate conjunction in the brackets. 47. Mantra met his astrologer friend. He can get some advice about his problem. Answer will be Mantra met his astrologer friend so that he could get some advice about his problem. 48. Dr. Joshi made a phone call. He discussed about the critical condition of his patient. So, Dr. Joshi made a call and there will be and. Okay, discussed about the critical condition of his patient. 49. He ran very fast. He could not win the race. He ran very fast, though he could not win the race. 50. Rewrite the paragraph filling in the blanks with appropriate words in the brackets. Sonu advised Monu to hide there, but Monu could not do so and was caught. First will be to, second will be there, and third will be could. Do as directed. अब हमें डायरेक्ट करना है, इनडायरेक्ट का डायरेक्ट करना है. Do as directed. Okay. 51. Nidhi wrote a letter to Ashok Bhai. He informed Ashok Bhai about his new business. Ashok Bhai advised him in that matter. Being like this, a letter was written by Nidhi. So answer will be a letter was written by Nidhi to Ashok Bhai. He was informed about his new business and was advised in that matter. 52. India carried out Operation Sindoor against her enemy. She showed what she could do in her brief war. Her enemy was crushed and brought to her knees. Answer will be we carried out Operation Sindoor against our enemy. We showed what we could do in our brief war and crushed the enemy and brought him to his knees. Select the appropriate question to get underlying word phrase as their answer. Okay. 53. The Akhand Jyoti temple situated at the top of the Gabbar hill remains open 24/7. Okay, so ये situated at the top of the Gabbar hill है, तो उससे क्वेश्चन बनाना है. तो आंसर विल बी, I think answer will be B, I guess. Which Akhand Jyoti temple remains open 24/7? I'm a bit confused about B. I guess B. अगर गलत होगा तो आप कमेंट कर दीजिएगा. 54. Utpal Bhai often sends book from Jamnagar. Answer will be D. Who often sends book from Jamnagar? 55. Bhavna Ben consulted many doctors to find out the reason. Answer will be C. Why did Bhavna Ben consulted many doctors? Okay. ऐसे का है सेक्शन ही, तो अब ऐसे का है तो वो तो नहीं हो पाएगा. तो ये थे हमारा इंग्लिश का 10th क्लास का 2026 का पेपर बोर्ड का. आई होप आपके अच्छे मार्क्स आए हो और आपने बहुत ही अच्छा किया होगा. मैंने ज़्यादा कुछ ब्रॉडली और लंबा खींचने की कोशिश नहीं की है. आपको जो आंसर्स चाहिए हो, मैंने सीधा आंसर्स दिए हैं आपको। तो आई होप आपको पसंद आया हो वीडियो, तो लाइक कर दीजिएगा वीडियो को, और साथ ही ऐसे ही लेटेस्ट एग्जाम के आंसर सॉल्यूशंस के लिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर कर दीजिएगा। थैंक यू, बाय बाय।